Are you looking for the best 50 amp generators? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose 50 amp generators with different prices, benefits, and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right 50 amp generators. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Westinghouse 12500. 9500 running watts and 12500 peak watts, gasoline, 8500 running watts, 11200 peak watts, propane, remote start with included key fob, electric and recoil start, up to 12 hours of runtime on a 6-gallon fuel tank with fuel gauge. Features 2 GFCI 120V5, 20R standard household receptacle, 1 transfer switch ready 120V L1430R, and 1 RV ready 120/240V14, 50R, all outlets have rubber covers for added safety. Powered by a heavy-duty 457 cubic centimeters Westinghouse 4-stroke OHV engine featuring a long-lasting cast iron sleeve with automatic low oil shutdown and digital hour meter. VFT display gives you real-time updates with the voltage output, frequency, and lifetime hours. Number 2. Champion Power Equipment. Ultra powerful, at 15,000 starting watts and 12,000 running watts, enjoy up to 9 hours of runtime on a full tank of gasoline with a noise level of 78 dBA from 23 feet. Electric start. Trust the reliable 717 cubic centimeters V-twin Champion engine with its battery-included electric start featuring a reliable toggle switch, plus built-in cold start technology for easy starts in cold weather. Covered outlets, 1 120V30A locking, a 120/240V30A locking, a 120/240V50A and 4 120V20A GFCI outlets, plus VoltGuard built-in surge protector prevents overloads and keeps your appliances and equipment safe. Number 3. Generac GP 17500. The Generac registered GP Series 17500E portable generator powers up to 16 circuits and works as a reliable choice for both home and professional backups. The generator uses a Generac OHVI registered 992 cubic centimeters engine to generate power. The engine uses an automotive spin style in order to increase its lifespan, and it features idle controls to cut down on noise and conserve fuel. The 17,500 watt portable generator automatically shuts down when it runs low on oil to prevent damage to the engine. A hardened steel cradle frame protects the Generac portable generator from bumps and impacts that might harm the body. The unit comes with an electric starter, too. The generator relies on a large, 16-gallon tank for fuel. With advanced features and enormous power, this portable generator maximizes performance in a variety of settings. Number 4. Champion Power Equipment 100,165. Dual fuel. Operate your 7,500 watt portable generator right out of the box on either gasoline or propane, plus the unit holds 1.2 quarts of oil, included, and has a low oil shut-off sensor. Electric start. Power up the 439 cubic centimeters Champion engine with the handy toggle switch, battery included. IntelliGauge. Keep track of voltage, hertz, and runtime hours to easily monitor power output and track maintenance intervals. 1.5-inch dia. Tubular steel frame for protection and durability. Number 5. Duramax XP 12000E. With 12,000 watts of power, the XP 12000E dual fuel generator will keep your whole home running during a storm or power outage. Duramax is the industry leader in dual-fuel portable generator technology, with a full assortment ranging from digital inverters to generators that can power your entire home. At the core of all our products resides a robust Duramax engine. Designed for power. Designed to last. The XP12000E comes equipped with a wide variety of outlets, including a transfer switch-ready 50-amp outlet. This generator features our MX2 power boost, which doubles the 120V power for appliances and RVs.
So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comments below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.